eLu is an electric vehicle charging network. It specialises in electric vehicle energy battery storage built within our superchargers. So there's no other technology in Australia that is as advanced as ours. Ours is the fastest and the most powerful and the most sustainable in Australia. We very quickly set up our startup business right here at the Health and Knowledge Precinct, and that's proved to be very, very successful for us. And we've moved from absolute zero in February when we met with the Mayor to what you see behind you now, which is the Australian launch of our electric vehicle charge pod.
The first time we came to Gold Coast, we got a big welcome from the city of Gold Coast. We felt right at home here. And also when we discussed with different business opportunities with different counterparts, we always felt that kind of warmth. We felt there's a genuine innovation spirit that in the city of Gold Coast that we would really like to be part of it. I think it's really about the people. We found really talented people and inspirational people full of passion here in the Gold Coast. Gold Coast has changed and become an international city of innovation. And for the Health of Knowledge Precinct, we couldn't felt luckier to be in that place starting our journey in Australia.
The Gold Coast Health and Knowledge Precinct provides a great landing pad for tech startups from across Australia and overseas, but also connects them to the broader manufacturing sites across the Gold Coast. So you can be in our Cohort Innovation Space to start your business and then be connected to the broader manufacturing sites across the Gold Coast to scale your company.
The value of having been at Health and Knowledge Precinct and the Innovation Space and Cohort is that we've got to know other tech startups, other people. We've created a community, a network, and that's all taken place because we set up there in the first place. And that enables us to get some really good quality people to come on board and assist us with our research and development. To any other tech companies out there in Australia or from overseas that are looking to establish themselves in Australia and to build their business here, I honestly recommend that you should have a talk to the team here at the Health and Knowledge Precinct. They will set you on the right path. You will find that this is the right space and the right place for you to be successful in this country.